How to hide your liked reels on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to hide your liked reels on Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram app on your device, just like you can see here. Once you open the app, go to the Profile section by tapping the profile icon, depending on where it appears in your app. On the profile page, tap on the menu option at the top right corner. This will take you to the Settings and Activities section of your account. On this page, scroll through the list of available options and come to the one named Who Can See Your Content. Under this section, tap on the option named Activity in the Friends tab. On the page that appears, you'll see two options that allow you to control who can see your likes and comments on Reels in the Friends tab. By default, this setting is usually set to Followers You Follow Back, which means your likes are visible to mutuals. To hide your likes completely, change it by tapping on the option named No One. Once you select No One, your liked reels will no longer appear in the Friends tab for others to see. You can always change the setting back if you want to make them visible again. The process is very quick and ensures your likes remain private. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to hide your liked reels on Instagram.